Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to cream butter and sugar only using a wooden spoon. As we're only using a wooden spoon, it's really important that your butter is nice and soft. Ideally leave it out for 15 minutes before using so it's nice and soft. So to cream your butter and sugar, you ideally want to mash it against the bowl. So press it down using a spoon and you start mashing it against the bowl like so, and keep turning it around until everything is combined. Because I use quite big chunks of butter, it's going to be much more difficult to do. So keep mashing it, and slowly rotate the bowl. This is why it's really important that your butter is nice and soft, so you can do this easily. Can you hear that grainy sound of the sugar? You want to keep mashing it. And if you're thinking, why should I even bother even creaming this for 15 minutes? Trust me, it's worth it. It makes your cake so beautifully light, soft and airy. The reason being, you're essentially beating in air into your butter and sugar, which gives it that desired texture. So it's honestly worth it. What I usually do is set a timer for 15 minutes, 10 minutes when I'm using a wooden spoon, and just keep going, just keep doing it like this until it becomes really nice and fluffy. I'll show you what it should look like. Just look at that texture. It's really fluffy, really easy to glide my wooden spoon through it and just see how light it is. It's so much paler and you can tell that air has been beaten into it. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope you've learned how to cream butter and sugar only using a spoon. It's so easy to do. And if you want to check out any of my free resources which help bakers bake, which help beginner bakers make anything that they want with tips and tricks, just have a look in the description box down below. Anyway, I'll see you next week. Bye!